Hello friends, how are you? My name is Arun. In this video, I am going to discuss about one interview question. It is, easy one only. But just I would like to discuss about the logic. Like, find whether the given array is sorted or not. What is the meaning? They will give you one array with some elements. So you have to find out with is sorted or not. So it is not sorted. So if the given array is 15689, then you can say yes, it is sorted. So you have to say yes or nothing, sorted or not sorted. You have to tell friends. So assuming that I am taking like ascending order, like elements are in ascending order, I am assuming that. If it is, you can check descending order as well, but the condition is quite different. So I'm assuming that sorting means ascending only. Okay. Let's get into the project, friends. I mean, coding. Already I have taken one input array. What is that? 154782. What is the logic I am going to implement? Very simple, friends. I'll compare 1 with 5. Okay. If it is 1 less than 5, then what will be happen? I'll check with the next element. So 5 with 4. So what is the condition here? 5 is less than 4 or 5 is greater than 4. 5 is greater than 4. Then I'll come out from the loop and I'll check it is not sorted. So likewise, each and every element I'll check, friends. Okay. So if you want, I can tell you here as well. See what are the elements, friends. I have taken 154, say 1 comma 5 comma 4 comma 782. Say 782. What else? Yeah, that's it. So first, what I will do, I'll take one, friends. I'll compare with 5. What is that? 1 less than 5 or not? If yes, then what I will do, I'll compare 5 with 4. Condition true or false? Condition false. So directly I will come out from the loop. I'll say not sorted. Okay. If the elements are sorted order. So what is the next one? 15689. 15689. In this case, what I will do, I'll take one. I'll compare with 5. True or false? True. Then I'll compare 5 with 6. True or false? True. Then I'll compare with 8. Then I'll compare with 9. So all are fine. Then complete. So finally I can say it is a sorted one. So this is the logic I am going to implement. So see here, what I am doing is just I am taking like one temporary variable, and in that I am taking first element of the array. How to take integer array of 0, and just I am taking one boolean value, boolean equal to false initially. Now I am taking one for loop, friends. In this for loop, so integer I equal to starting from second element, so I equal to 1. I less than, say, input array dot length, say I plus plus. So from second element onwards I am trying to iterate. So what is the condition, friends? If I am checking temp is less than, what is that? Input array of I, sorry, input array of I. Then what will be happen, friends? Then you can move, say, temp equal to, say, input array of I. Else means what is that, friends? So I'm comparing 1 with 5 and I'm comparing 5 with 4. It's not true. Then I'll be into else. Now what I am doing is simply I am not doing anything. I am making flag equal to true. I am changing flag equal to true and just break. No need to compare remaining elements. Simply I am coming from the for loop, friends. So finally check the flag value. What is that? If flag, then what will be happen? If flag equal to true, directly you can say it is sorted or not sorted. It is not sorted. Else. So system dot out dot println. What is the value? 1 minute, friends. What is the mistake? Yeah, say sorted. Let me check whether my logic is working fine or not. Not sorted. See 154. It is not sorted, friends. So what about the next set? Say 15689. Just copy here and say paste it here and sorted, friends. See 15689. I hope you understand the logic. And the interviewers just like I mean, to test our programming skill, they can ask this type of questions, friends. So you have to practice. uh, and yeah, still you can, I mean, if you have any other logics, please let me know in the comment section, friends. And thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot for watching video. And still, if you are having any other questions, and please let me know in the comment section. Definitely, I'll make a separate video on that. Okay, friends. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching my video.